Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what are the different methods to merge an array. For that, guys, let us start the video. So, let me create a file. I'll create a new file, merge arrays.js. So, I'll take two arrays. So, let us take my first array as constant. So, I'll write students as A, B, B, and C. And I'll take one more array which are teachers. So teachers. So I'll write D and E. So what if I want to join these two arrays? So we have a combined method. We can use a concat method. So I'll do what? I'll write constant classroom. Classroom consists of teachers and students. So I'll write student dot concat of teachers. So in the classroom now we have 3 students and 2 teachers. So let us execute this. Without that, before that I'll put console.log. I'll do a classroom. I'll paste this. So node merge arrays.js. So as you can see, A, B, C, D, E. These two arrays have merged. We're using concat. So there is another syntax we call spread syntax. So now for spread, guys, we have a simple syntax. I'll write constant class spread classroom, I'll write. So it would spread classroom. For array, you have to give open bracket, close bracket, not the flower braces. You have to give these braces, and you put dot 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 students, comma dot 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 teachers. Now console.log of spread classroom. Let me now print that. Merge arrays. So see A, B, C, D, E. Now let me print both merge classroom and classroom. We have got exact results. So these are two ways to merge array, guys. I hope this was informative. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.